What is C# and why is it used with .NET? C# is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft designed for the .NET platform. It combines the efficiency of C++ with the simplicity of Visual Basic, offering features like garbage collection, type safety, and interoperability. C# is used with .NET because it's optimized to work with the .NET framework, allowing developers to build secure and efficient applications with access to a vast library of pre-built code and tools. What is the difference between value type and reference type in C#? Value type stores data directly and each variable has its own copy, e.g. int, float, struct. Reference type stores references to data so multiple variables can refer to the same object in memory, e.g. class, array, string. What is managed code? Managed code is code executed by the .NET Runtime (CLR). The CLR handles memory management, security, and exception handling for managed code, making it safer and more reliable. What is the use of using statement in C#? The using statement helps to include namespaces and also allows the use of disposable resources, such as file streams or database connections, to ensure they are properly disposed of once used. What are the differences between abstract class and interface in C#? Abstract class can have implementations in its methods, supports constructors and fields. Interface cannot have method implementations prior to C# 8.0, supports only method declarations, and cannot have fields or constructors. Explain extension methods in C#. Extension methods add new methods to existing types without modifying the type. They're static methods defined in static classes and are accessed with instant syntax on the extended type. What are delegates in C#? Delegates are type-safe pointers to methods. They allow methods to be passed as parameters, making it easier to implement callback mechanisms and event handling. What is the difference between func, action, and predicate in C#? Func returns a value with the last type parameter as the return type. Action does not return a value used for methods with no return type. Predicate returns a bool and takes a single parameter, commonly used for filtering collections. What is the var keyword in C#? Var is a keyword that enables implicit typing in local variable declarations. The compiler infers the variable type based on the assigned value. Explain the difference between out, ref, and in keywords in C#. Out, used to return multiple values from a method. Variables passed with out must be assigned within the method. Ref, used to pass parameters by reference, allowing changes made in the method to affect the variable outside. In passes parameters by reference, but as read-only, ensuring no modification in the method. What are lambda expressions in C#? Lambda expressions are a concise way to define anonymous functions using guilds. They simplify LINQ queries and enable functional-style code. What is LINQ and why is it used? LINQ, language integrated query, is used for querying collections in a readable and concise way. It allows querying of different data sources using a unified syntax and is widely used for filtering, sorting, and projecting data. What is the difference between IEnumerable and IQueryable in LINQ? IEnumerable executes queries in memory suitable for in-memory collections. IQueryable executes queries on the data source, ideal for remote queries like databases. What are generics in C#? Generics allow creating type-safe data structures and methods without specifying an exact data type, making code more reusable and efficient, e.g. list T. What is async and await in C#? Async and await enable asynchronous programming, allowing methods to run without blocking the main thread. Async modifies a method, and await pauses execution until the awaited task completes.